Today, we are going to talk about one of the main sections of options in our WordPress plugin, Ticket PDF Settings. These options allow you to fully customize your digital tickets to suit your needs. With our easy-to-use editor, you can adjust the layout, design, and content of your tickets, whether you want to add important information, customize the appearance, or ensure your tickets fit specific formats. Let's begin. The ticket PDF will be generated with the default font size of 11 points, but you can change the size of the font here. To ensure the ticket remains readable, the font size chooser allows you to select sizes ranging from 6 to 10 points. You can also set the font size within the ticket template. Make sure to test the result, as the appearance of the font size also depends on the chosen font family. Here, you can adjust the PDF font family to support special characters. Font choice also affects font size appearance. If special characters are needed, consider changing the font. Some HTML elements are not supported by the PDF library when rendering. If you encounter this issue, you have two options. Use debug mode. This will switch all the HTML elements to plain text. Or use the Remove Unsupported HTML Tags option. This option is helpful if you use HTML in your descriptions. These options should help resolve the problem. If you have products with different variants, such as sizes or colors, you might want to show their names along with the product name on the ticket. Turn on this option to display the variant names. By default, they will appear below the product name. You can change their position if you want. Only the variant name will be shown, not the ID. If there are multiple variants, they will be separated by a blank space. With this option, you can display a short description of the product on the ticket. But first, check the results with the Ticket Test Designer. Otherwise, it could lead to a ticket spanning multiple pages. If the PDF doesn't render, it might be because you're using unsupported HTML in your product's short description, which you can remove with this option. The notes of your customer can also be printed on the ticket. By activating this option, the notes will be added below the ticket details. If you don't need the notes, you can turn off this feature. By default, the customer information will be printed on the PDF ticket, but you can hide this information here if you do not want your customer's name and address on the ticket. This is not the name on the ticket, but the name of your customer who purchased the order. You can also hide the payment method details on the ticket. As for some events or use cases like complimentary tickets or internal company events, showing the payment method on the ticket might not make sense. Activate this option to hide the payment details on the PDF ticket. The ticket price and a discounted price will be printed on the ticket. Even if the ticket is free of charge, this information will still be printed. If you do not want it on the ticket, activate this option to hide the price. However, the ticket scanner will still display it. With this option, you can display add-on items on the ticket. This can be useful if you are selling add-ons with a ticket product, such as food or additional entrance to venue rooms, etc. The default template will scan the meta field for the add-on of WooCommerce products. If you use additional plugins to add other add-ons, then you can adjust your template using these meta keys. If you want to see extra products and track how often they're added to orders, turn on this option. It will also count the number of each extra product on the ticket, as long as it's not a ticket itself. Usually, each product is given a ticket from a list. The system will create a ticket number and add it to the list. Alternatively, it may reuse an unassigned ticket number from the list if you enable the corresponding option. If you want to show the name of the ticket list on the ticket as well, activate this option. With the Display the Quantity of Purchased Tickets option, you can customize the text that appears on the PDF. You can use a special word to show how many tickets were bought for that item. If you don't change anything, it will automatically show Ticket 1 of 3, for example, where 1 is the ticket's position and 3 is the total number of tickets bought. This option prints the registered user's information on the ticket. It will only show up if the registered user value isn't empty. The admin can enter this information in the backend. This option lets you hide the number of tickets that have been scanned. If you don't check this option, entrance guards can see how many people have already entered the event with the same ticket. By default, the scanner shows the number of tickets scanned. Your WordPress site name will be added to the bottom of the ticket PDF. If you do not want to display your WordPress site name, you can use this option to hide it. When it's active, it will not display the WordPress site name on the ticket. Your WordPress site description will be added to the bottom of the ticket PDF. If you do not want to display your WordPress site description, activate this option and it will not be added to the ticket. By default, the WordPress site URL will be added to the bottom of the ticket PDF. If you prefer not to display your WordPress site URL, activate this option, and it will not be included on the ticket. Here you can add your own text to the ticket. You can use this box to include a disclaimer, legal notes, or any other information. Please check the result by opening a PDF ticket. The text you enter will appear at the bottom of the PDF ticket. HTML is not supported yet, but new lines will work. Here you can add your logo to the PDF ticket. To do this, choose an image from your WordPress media library. Once selected, it will show up on the options page. You can replace or delete the image anytime. Check the image size because a large image can cause email issues. If the PDF is attached to order emails and customers buy multiple tickets, make sure everything works by testing the PDF. Keep in mind that not all image formats are supported, and some image optimizers might cause problems, making the logo disappear or the PDF not work. The recommended logo size is 300 by 300 pixels, and it will be placed at the center bottom of the ticket. Here you can add a banner image to the top of your PDF ticket. Choose an image from your WordPress media library. Once selected, it will show up on the options page. You can change or remove it anytime. Make sure the image isn't too large, or it might cause email issues. Test the PDF to ensure it looks right, especially if it's sent with order emails for multiple tickets. Not all image formats are supported. Some image optimizers might cause problems, making the banner disappear or the PDF not work. The recommended banner size is 794 by 529 pixels with a resolution of 96. The banner will stretch to fit the width of the PDF page, so adjust the size if needed. Here you can customize your PDF ticket by adding a background image. This option lets you choose an image from your WordPress media library, which will be centered on each page of the ticket. You can easily replace or delete the image as needed. Make sure to check the image size to avoid problems with emails. Test the PDF to ensure it meets your expectations, especially when sending it with order emails. Ensure the background image doesn't obscure important text or the QR code. Both should remain readable. Note that not all image formats are supported, and some image optimizers may cause issues where the image doesn't appear or the PDF can't be rendered. If you want to add extra information like a promo, map, or something else, you can attach a PDF from your media library. This PDF will be added at the end of each ticket, but keep in mind the size, as it may become too large. Remember, this PDF will usually be sent with the order email to your customer